Do you have a Kia with a shaky steering wheel that makes a weird clicking noise? I have the solution for you. I bought a car that had that very problem. Thankfully, after doing my research, I came across this information that I want to share with you. It turns out that you don't really have to fix this on your own. There is a recall for these problems because there's a defective part in the steering mechanism. The information I have is a Technical Service Bulletin, TSB for short, number 44. It covers a group of cars that you can see listed here. I don't know if there are extra models covered in additional recalls. I have a 2012 Kia Soul and it was covered without a problem. If you usually fix your car, like me, this time you're in for a treat. Take it to your local dealership and just enjoy the wait. If you usually pay to have your car fixed, this time you don't have to spend a dime. Kia's got you. Either way, I hope this information helps. If you know of someone else who might have the same problem, please share this with them.